Yo, I'm looking like something like this, like really pretty, like creature or some shit. Like, yo, I'm loving the way my makeup has been applying lately, and I want to do a specific video on that. But today I want to talk to you about two products that are at Fontana Pharmacy. So this video is sponsored by Fontana Pharmacy. As you know, I'm Fontana Pharmacy's brand ambassador, beauty brand ambassador, and it's just an honor being able to work with the company. So I want to talk about their Inglot 03 and their highlight in deep. Is it in deep? Their GCC 640 highlight contour. So it's a cream. So you have the highlight and then the contour, but these both are highlights, as in they are lights. See, they are lights. See that? So I want to talk about this, and I also want to talk about the Inglot number 3 sparkling dust. See, a sparkling dust, and it's for face, eyes, and body. Now let me just say, I'm wearing these two today as my combo. These two today as my combo, and I am absolutely in love. This in and of itself, it's just amazing. This in and of itself is really nice and subtle, very good for that dewy look. Oh girl, when you put on your Tasha dewy mist on this, when you use this alone, girl. But these two together, I mean, your highlight will be disrespectful. Your highlight will be out of order. Like, your highlight, it's just, I cannot find another adjective to say, but your highlight will be bomb, honey. A bomb, a bomb, a bomb. So on a semi already, in the video I do, the unedited, I have an unedited video when I'm in a grey blouse. That video, that's what I use, this color. Now I got 3 colors from Inglot. I don't know if you guys knew, but I got a package from Inglot. As you know, Fontana Pharmacy now carries Inglot. I mean, Fontana is bringing Jamaica's beauty game up a notch. Now I'm not saying nobody else in Jamaica sells Inglot. That's not what I'm saying. And to be honest, I don't know who else sells Inglot, but one thing I know is that Fontana is legitimate. Is that with Fontana, it's the original. No knockoffs over here, boo-boo. Just saying. So yeah, so I got a package from Inglot. I got 3 glows, 3 sparkling dust, and one of them I put in my kit because it's too light for me, and this one and with the other one. Now you guys, wipes. Yeah, very good. Now with the other skin frost that I love from Jeffree Star, the one, the collab he did with Manny MEA, you guys read me to filth on that ashy ass highlight, and I get it now. I can make it work, but I get it. I understand, and as you guys know, I no longer own that because I destroyed it here on camera. But so I'm just kind of learning my lesson. I can make it work, but I was like, let me just put that in my kit because my skin tone is constant. In my kit I have a variety of skin tones in there, different looks I need to achieve, so that will be better served in my kit. Now this one, I got 04. To be honest, 04 is not kicking it for me, but I'm going to try 04 with this because this bumped this up whole new notches. Whole new, these two together have brought my highlight game to so this is the illegal, as I said before, pro contour cream. So I put this on first, and in the video that there's another video that I did, another tutorial that I did that is very similar to the one I did with the unedited one. It's very similar, but I did it specifically to show you guys these combo, these working together, and this is absolutely amazing. Which, by the way guys, welcome to the month of August. Hello. I'm pre-recording, it's still July, but I'm pre-recording all my August videos because I want to upload a video every single day in August. Let's see if I can do it. I really have time to edit and everything, so let's just see how that goes. So yeah, so that's what I want to talk about today, those two. It's absolutely amazing by itself, the Inglot 03 sparkling dust, and when I get it damp, it beams. That thing, it beams, it illuminates your soul. It illuminates your soul. So but when you put it with the LA Girl contour cream, guys, it is absolutely phenomenal. That's the combo I've been wearing for these past couple of days, and I'm telling you, well, by the time you see this it would be weeks, but no, as I'm recording this it's days. But let me tell you, it's my highlight is extremely dramatic. Like, if you don't know what I'm on my face, you go wonder what up on my face. I go on for carnival, me I go, and I don't mind it. More you question me with my makeup, Zamar, don't do that, papa. More you question me, more you question my choices, more you wonder why I should have to herself, more you wonder how she look like, more you do that, more you bewilder you, more you confused, more you I want that from you. I want that from you. And that I go want from you, please and thanks. It turn up. It bad. The thing basil, and that's all my comments have a talk about. Say bad. Both of them together are dream, but sparkling dust by itself, gold. Sparkling dust damp, you ain't ready, boo. Cream highlight by itself, amazing. Cream highlight with sparkling dust, amazing, amazing, amazing. Thank you so much to Inglat for sending me that the sparkling dust, and thank you to Fontana for carrying both the sparkling dust as well as the LA Girl cream contour. The cream contour is very underrated. The cream contour is not that popular, but let me tell you something, do not sleep on that cream contour. I just took it up. By the way, I bought the cream contour by myself. I just saw I saw it and I was like, you know what, I'm going to get that, and I did, and I didn't know it would have been so phenomenal, and I've been wearing it for days. It would have been days now here, but by the time you see this, it will be weeks. And I want to address one thing. In my videos, you probably seeing that my face is lighter than my skin. That's because your girl has been walking in the sun a lot, so you know that tends to happen. My body's getting really darker than my face, because you know I wear makeup and my makeup has SPF in it and everything, so my face is protected but not my body, so I'm just saying. But that's what I want to say to you guys, and I'll talk to you in the next video. Thank you so much, you guys, for staying through to the end, and if you did stay through to the end, my classes they'll be in September 7th through to the 9th. You will no longer get the $100 off. That deal has now ended, so the classes are $595. If you want to speak with me directly, email me at classes@LyricRochester.com. We still have slots open. Every single student will your goodie bags will be filled with products from Beauty Blender, Juvia's Place, Brush Folio, and of course Pome by Lyric, and Glam by Isaken as well. Shout out to all my sponsors, and shout out to the brands I chose to buy myself, so y'all can get it for free. I'm just saying. What else? Yes, so it's going to be in Tamarack, Florida, and follow LyricRochester International on Instagram for more information, for weekly information. I would say daily, but because I'm running it over there, it's difficult for me to run so much Instagram pages and then know that added one, but I had to create that one for you guys, so you can go to one main area and see what it is that you'll be getting. So I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye guys, happy August.